So you clicked on this video for a reason, you know. You wanted to see me achieve this look. So if you want to see me achieve it, keep watching.
Ignore it all. Let me show you how ignore it all works. It turns this to this. Huh?
This is probably my like 5th time trying to record this. I'm just gonna apply it all over the lid. Crack in the neck or kill them with kindness. Now I gotta.
I know you don't have a clue.
Okay, well this yellow don't really show good. I'm gonna make it work. You can kind of see it. This is how we do it. I'm gonna be using this kind of peachy color right here.
I know you don't have a clue.
I'm just gonna combine them.
For you, waiting for you. Wishing you could see me.
I'm gonna be using the box of crayons red right here.
But I'm a sunflower, a little
Shrunk.
I turn into something you like, but I'm a sunflower, a little funny. If I were a rose, maybe you'd pick me. But I know you don't have a clue. The sunflower's waiting for you, waiting for you.
So I'm gonna be using my e.l.f. contouring brush, my beauty blender, to blend out all of my contour and concealer.
I know you don't have a clue.
You what?
Sunflower's waiting for you,
Okay.
waiting for you.
They don't care. Yeah, I am.
Perfect bodies, perfect faces, they all belong in magazines.
Ooh. I'm gonna edit it anyway, don't matter.
They're
Woo!
in a different league, stretching toward the sky like I don't care.